Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.41. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with an increase of 0.33%. This results in an average return of 0.05% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The ETF currently rests in the upper section of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $498.43 would initially indicate an accelerated upward movement. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.35% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between a decrease of 0.87% and an increase of 7.98%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 28.25% over the next year, with a possible return ranging between 19.59% and 39.86%. This translates to a price range between $587.10 and $686.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up 0.0122% on Wednesday. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.0122% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, rising from $490.85 to $490.91. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.85%, with a day low of $487.57 and a day high of $491.69. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.86% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded for approximately $10.89 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands at 2.5%, or $12.61, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Invesco QQQ Trust indicate a pivotal moment for investors. Following a notable rise in QQQ's risk premium due to a shifting interest rate outlook, analysts have downgraded their rating from buy to hold. This suggests that investors may want to consider locking in profits in the short term as market conditions evolve. While QQQ remains a significant player in technology investments, with over half of its portfolio tied to this sector, rising concerns about its high valuation raise questions about future performance. The current price-to-earnings ratio exceeds 40, raising alarms over potential bubble conditions, especially given the heavy concentration of assets in a few major stocks, such as Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. As enthusiasm around generative artificial intelligence wanes, these factors could lead to increased market volatility and downward pressure on QQQ's price. In the long term, the introduction of alternatives like QQQM, which offers lower fees, may present viable options for buy-and-hold investors looking for cost-effective ways to invest in the technology-heavy exchange-traded fund space. As earnings season unfolds, any signs of weakness could further exacerbate the existing bubble concerns, potentially impacting investor sentiment and stock price dynamics for QQQ. Thus, while the immediate outlook may suggest a cautious approach, the evolving landscape of interest rates and sector performance will play crucial roles in shaping QQQ's trajectory. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. In the event of further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $492.52. Conversely, should the ETF decline, it will find support near the long-term average at about $478.43. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This divergence between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 1.32%. Further downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 227 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level due to accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk associated with an ETF testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this scenario, QQQ has support at $448.75. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the ETF exhibits well-controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as very low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $4.12 between its high and low, which represents a change of 0.85%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.09%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for the QQQ, let's take a moment to discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $492.59. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. Should this support level hold firm, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $471.58, representing a decline of 3.94%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Currently, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment option? Currently, QQQ shows several negative indicators, suggesting it might be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be prudent to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while we monitor further developments. After evaluating the volatility and trading patterns from the last session, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by 85 cents, beginning at $490.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.